In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a workspace in Slack using an invitation link. Joining a Slack workspace this way is usually the quickest and easiest option, whether you're connecting with a team, a class, or an online community. The nice thing is that this method works whether you already have a Slack account or whether you're starting completely fresh. To begin, find the invitation link that was shared with you. You might receive it in an email, a calendar invite, a message, or inside an onboarding document. Once you've located it, click the invitation link. This will automatically open your default web browser and take you to the official Slack registration page for that specific workspace. When the page loads, you should see the name of the workspace you've been invited to. At this stage, Slack will ask you how you want to continue. You'll typically have the option to sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, or use an email address. If you want the fastest setup and prefer not to create a separate password, using Google or Apple is often the most convenient choice. Like if you decide to continue with your email address instead, type it into the field provided and click continue. Slack will then send a 6-digit confirmation code to your inbox. Open your email, look for the message from Slack, and enter that code into the boxes on the browser page. This step verifies that the email address belongs to you and helps secure your access to the workspace. After your email or sign-in method has been verified, Slack will guide you to the profile setup screen. Here, you'll enter your full name so other members of the workspace can recognize you. If you didn't sign in with Google or Apple, you'll also be asked to create a password. Make sure it's something secure and memorable. You may also have the option to upload a profile photo. This part is optional, but it can be helpful, especially in larger workspaces where people may want to identify you quickly in conversations and threads. Once that's done, click Create Account or Next, depending on what appears on your screen. Slack will then ask how you'd like to open the workspace. If you already have the Slack desktop app installed, choose Open Slack app to launch it directly there. If not, select Use Slack in browser to access everything right away without installing anything. After that, the workspace will load and you'll be ready to start exploring channels, messages, and team communication. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.